guys. I know a lot of people are busy right now, but I just wanted to pop in and do a quick video about how to make your own roller bottle. We talked a little bit about these three, or I had a post about these three earlier in the week, and we were talking about how the pollen is kind of flying through the air. If you look outside, you might see a puff of clouds or a smoke cloud, and it's really not smoke, it's pollen, and that's just what we love about this time of year. It's beautiful outside. You want to stay outside with your kids, and you want your kids to be feeling well. So let's talk about how you can make a roller bottle with these three. This is lavender, lemon, and peppermint, to help you combat any kind of cruddies that the pollen might stir up. All right, so the first thing is your roller bottle. So you can get roller bottles at Vitamins Plus. If you're in Hattiesburg, they sell these. They're different sizes. So depending on if you only want a small one, if you want a big one, or maybe a medium-sized one, you can get the one you want. You don't have to buy it in bulk. If you do plan on making roller bottles a lot, you can get them on Amazon. And I get mine at Amazon. So if you are interested in making your own roller bottles and you want to make them, frequently, that might be a good thing for you. Another thing for roller bottles is you want a carrier oil to put in it. And if you're using a carrier oil, this is the one that Young Living had in their promos last month. It's our V6 oil, and so I have it because it was in the promo. I also have fractionated coconut oil, and it is the liquid kind, and it's the kind that you want in a roller bottle because it is liquid. So that's basically it. So let me go ahead and show you how to put these in here. So I am going to put in, it really doesn't matter like how many you want to put in. Since I'm using three, I'm going to put them in equal increments. You can do one more than the other, but I'm going to put them all in equally. And so let's say I'll do 6 drops of each equally. And if you wanted to do if you just wanted to start with a small number, whatever, it didn't matter. So I'm going to do 6 drops, and I'm just pouring it directly in. Now, some of your roller bottles or things might come with funnels, but the thing about dropping the oil into the funnel is the oil might not go all the way through. So if you need the funnel, that's fine, but I like to drop mine directly into my bottle. I do use the funnel for the carrier oil when I get to that point. Okay, so then I have my funnel for my carrier oil, and then I kind of just squirt it in until I get to the top, or I get the desired amount that I want in it. And sometimes you can see it kind of gets hung up and you gotta release it in there. Just try to keep an eye on it so you don't overfill or create a spill of some type. Alright, so I'm gonna, it's kind of getting all over me, so I'm gonna put that up. Then I put the roller top on and put its lid on, and I'm ready to go. You can roll it on the bottom of your feet, your wrist, wherever you want your pollen balm. Another thing that I wanted to show you that you could use, well, I don't know if you can see behind me, I am diffusing this also over there, my 3, and I am in not a huge room, but in a pretty spacious room. So I think, I was trying to do 4 drops of each, but I ended up dropping an extra one, so I did 5 drops of each in this room. I mean, it's pretty okay. The next thing I wanted to show you is how to make a capsule, a vitality capsule. We talk about taking our vitality oils internally, and a lot of people don't really know where to get these things. You can get these also at Vitamins Plus. You can get them on Amazon as well. But you take the capsule apart, and then you can drop in the amount that you want. I'm going to put 2 drops of each in it. And remember, the vitality oils and the oils that are in the bigger containers are the exact same oils. So there's really no difference between that bigger bottle and the smaller bottle. If it has a Vitality oil, it also is the same one that comes in. Now, if you don't want to just put this in, you could fill it up with the carrier oil, but I've never done it that way. So up to you, but this is how you make a capsule and your roller bottle. So go, breathe, go outside, and have a good time. And I'll see you later.